Good morning, it's Friday the 21st July 2023 and this is my trade plan for today. Remember today is OPEX day, so options selling day, so we might have some strange movements in the market, so something to be wary of today. So maybe I'll be playing smaller sizes. But looking at my chart on the screen at the moment, it's the MES or the ES chart and it's the 1 hour time frame. So we've got the hourly up and we've got some levels already specified. Some of them are left over from yesterday. So what I'll be looking for today will be a rejection on this head and shoulders. So we've got this head and shoulders here. Let's get rid of that. Here we go. So we've got the head and shoulders pattern which was formed yesterday and we're coming back up into it. So I'm going to be watching 45.95, 45.93 area. Watching for this area just there for a rejection and a pullback down. If I'll only want to take that on a big move up, so if we get some big strong candles going into it, then I'll be looking for top and tail and then a rejection back down. However, if we have a grind up day, we get lots of candles and it takes a long time getting up there, I won't be taking that. In fact, it will probably be better to wait for a break and retest of that level to go long. And if we do go long, then we've got the 4600 as a target, 4605 area. So 45.92, 45.93 area is a potential rejection or a break and retest area. So we'll play by ear on that when we get there by watching volume. So if we see lots of volume as we're coming into that area, lots of selling, lots of buying volume, then it's probably going to push straight through. So, but if we see a pullback in volume, so the volume decreases, and then we see a nice big rejection candle, a bit like that, and on a high volume, then we want to see increasing volume on the sell-off. Then that should work quite well. So that's what we're watching for. If we come down looking for bounces, we've got this pivot here which it try to hold that area, so we're not far off that area, so probably be watching 45.65, 45.64 area, same as yesterday, for a long. So that would be if we pull right back down to that area. I think that's it really. So basically we've got three levels: 45.65, 45.65 for a bounce, 45.92 for a rejection or a break and retest. And if we get up to 46.05, then I'll be looking for a rejection off of this area as well, back down. So four levels really. So going over to the SPY. Similar chart. We've got the hourly up into a similar chart as we just looked at. So we've got a rejection area 454, 455 is a nice rejection area. Again, only take it if we get a biggish candle moves up, not a grind up. If we get lots of small candles grinding up with average or steady increasing volume, then I won't be looking to take that. But if we do get to that level, we're looking for a bounce and retest, or or a rejection. So that's the area I'm watching, 455. Again, 456 will be a good target area if we're long, and this green zone I've drawn in, this area of demand, will be a nice target for a short. If we push up really strong, then we've got the tops of 456.50, and then we've got 458 area as rejection areas as well. And then for a bounce, I'll be watching again this pivot, which will be around this area here, 452 area, so for a bounce back up. So to confirm, we've got 452 bounce up, we've got 455 rejection or a break and retest, and then we've got 456 as a rejection area. And I think that's it really. I'm going to take it a bit easier today. If we see a big sell-off, we've got this 450 area, which we can see on this volume profile tool, a heavier volume around that area. And we're coming into an area of heavy volume now in the pre-market, so maybe we might see a little bit of a rejection back down. So that's it for today. Have a good day training, good day trading even, and I will speak to some of you today. Take care.